Oh, Mr. Pussycat, don't you like me anymore? I think I I'm sorry I had to do that, man. But you were weakening, bro. You were freaking weakening, bro, for real. Thankful. I was aware of that, man. Thankful. Uh-oh. Here we go again. This is one. This fucking one. This is one bird. This one. No one fucking know. This is one bird. This is one fucking bird, bro. Hey, it's one bird. Just one. Just one. I can't stand this shit, bro. I gotta have a bird. I'm weak, but I don't care. After all, I am a pussy cat. Oh, now, man. You don't have to be doing all that crying, man. Look, man. But cats and birds can get along together, man. See, look, watch. Come here, little bird. Look, see, I'm friendly with them, you know? I love birds, man. Mwah. Nigga, calm down. I need more. Nigga, calm down. No, please, no, I want more. Let me go. Once a bad old putty cat, always a bad old putty cat, man. Yeah.